2010, they revised the form to say you have to have the photos with it, and it was 2 nails per clip. In 2012, they revised the form again to go to 3 nails. So what you'll see a lot of times is homes built in the 1970s. It's probably the biggest one where you'll see 1 and 2 nails in the clips, and that does not give a credit. So where I always recommend to a listing agent is, most of the time your seller, if they have insurance, they have a wind mitt somewhere. Get a copy of that wind mitigation and let's take a look at it. You can then look at it and say, hey, you know what, you're missing this clips credit. You can get that retrofitted for maybe $1,000 and look at how much less the insurance will be when somebody comes to buy the house. And so there are ways to retrofit those clips as long as they are there. You can always add those additional nails.
Yeah, Jay, excuse me, what do you say to a homeowner who says that, wood frame is more expensive for insurance than block?
Well, it is more expensive for insurance. A lot of it depends on the location. If you're talking a home directly on the Gulf of Mexico, you're going to see that wood frame rate be higher than you would in Old Northeast because a lot of it depends on distance to the Gulf. One of the other keys is now you see like the hardy board. So if it's got hardy board on there, that actually has a special rate category called masonry veneer, which rates between wood frame and concrete block. The other one is the frame on stucco or the brick on frame. Again, it rates between the 2 credits, and so it is more expensive, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. I'll tell you that from a rate standpoint, it would be less expensive to insure a fully mitigated, hurricane clipped, impact glass wood frame house than just a block house with limited credits.
What about the one on Casablanca that is new on the market? Is that asbestos? It's 3515 Casablanca Avenue.
Asbestos is tough. That is probably the toughest thing to get insured. There are carriers that will do it, but most of them do not want to write asbestos siding.
Is it asbestos siding? Is that what it is?
Not sure. I think it is. I don't know, but you're going to be writing. Is it just a question?
It seems like you're fired.
The challenge with asbestos is if you have a problem, they have to take all of the siding down. So basically, let's say that you have a